So, big fellas, in this episode, I'm going to be talking about the denim jacket. Why I believe that every man needs one, how versatile these things are, and where you guys can purchase one, the big and tall community, because you guys know that you guys are the reason I'm here in the first place. I'm a big and tall guy like you are, and I can give you sound advice on where to get a good one. So, let's go. What's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. And if you like the content and the information, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification icon so that you're notified any and every time that I drop some new heat. Also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now, public service announcement, I am on the website Patreon. That is a website where you guys can donate to help content creators further their causes of their channels. And I'm going to be real with you guys. If I'm going to continue to give you guys great content, I need some capital. You guys are asking for videos on websites and other ideas that I'm going to be honest with you, I simply can't afford to do on my own. So I need you guys' help. Click the link in the description for Patreon, donate to the cause, and also hit the Amazon links. Buy something from Amazon. If you're going to do some shopping on Amazon, you do not have to buy what's linked for me to get credit. So those are two ways that you can help forward the cause of this channel. Now, let's jump right back into the content. Now, the denim jacket is extremely important, and you can see it all over my Instagram page. You can literally rock a denim jacket with almost anything. I've rocked a denim jacket with a pair of slacks and dress shoes before, all the way to basketball shorts. The versatility range for a denim jacket is endless. It just keeps going. So I'm going to convince you guys that you need to get one, and I'm going to give you different types of denim jackets as well as where to get them from. So you can see that I have one on right now. This jacket is actually from ASOS, along with most of the other dope stuff in my closet. And this jacket has been my workhorse. If you just need to grab a quick jacket before running out of the house, the denim jacket will go with almost anything. But what kind of denim jacket is right for you? The first one I suggest you get is a medium wash like this one, because it is simply the most versatile one that you can have. There's so many different things that you can do with it. If you like to pop your collar, sometimes I like my collar popped. You roll it down, you can roll the sleeves up, you can wear t-shirts, dress shirts, polos, you can even rock a turtleneck under a denim jacket, and it will be completely acceptable. So first, I would say, get a medium wash denim jacket. If you guys want to move on into the other denim jackets, the second one I suggest you get is a lighter wash. And the lighter wash will bring more of a pop in your wardrobe. And you can wear that one in the spring through the fall months to go with your lighter muted colors and your pastels. A denim jacket also works well in color blocking. So when you're color blocking, be mindful of the shade of the denim jacket that you're wearing. Now, if you're going to start collecting them, then you can move into your distressed denim jackets, and you can move into like your denim Sherpa jackets. You can move into the ones with the patches and paint all over them. But the reason that I suggested the medium wash and the light wash first is because they are the most versatile. So this blue denim Sherpa jacket I have here is more of a fashionable piece, but it's also more intentional, so that makes it less versatile. All the different patches and designs that are on it makes it more specific. So when that happens, it actually cuts down on the amount of things that you can actually wear it with. Now, this black denim Sherpa jacket is actually a faded black, and it also has patches of flowers on it, but the Sherpa is actually only on the collar. It is not actually on the lining of the jacket. And this is a high fashion piece as well, but is also, again, more intentional. So you're actually going to have to plan out your outfits before throwing this on. So big fellas, in my opinion, the best place to get denim jackets for me, and I am including the price as well as the quality, it has to be ASOS. You can probably get one for about 48 to 50 bucks, at least that's what I got mine for. And they go up to a size 6X. You can go to Levi's. Levi's will be a little bit more expensive, but it is a popular and reputable brand. Or you can go to this website called Jackmo, and they as well sell sizes up to, I believe, a 6X. But another thing that I'm going to do to make it easier on you guys is that I'm going to find one on Amazon. It'll be a 3 or a 4X, and I'm going to link that in the description below. So buy that one so that I can get credit. Now, but real talk, fellas, I want you guys to do what's best for you. I do want you to support the channel, but at the end of the day, I want you to do what's best for you. So based on the information I've already given you, I want you guys to choose what you think will be the perfect denim jacket for you guys to start off with. And I'm going to link all of this stuff below. Now, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And remember, big fellas, just because we big don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.